Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see Standard 12th Subject English First Term Examination Model Activity Sheet. Marks 50, Time 2 hours. Section 1 Prose. It is for 24 marks for first term only. Reading for comprehension, language study and summary. Question first A. Read the extract and complete the activities given below. Question first A is there for 12 marks. Punctually at midday, he opened his bag and spread out his professional equipment, which consisted of a dozen cowrie shells, a square piece of cloth with obscure mystic charts on it, a notebook, and a bundle of Palmyra writing. His forehead was resplendent with sacred ash and vermilion, and his eyes sparkled with a sharp abnormal gleam, which was really an outcome of a continual searching look for customers, but which his simple clients took to be a prophetic light and felt comforted. The power of his eyes was considerably enhanced by their position placed as they were between the painted forehead and the dark whiskers which streamed down his cheeks. Even a half-wit's eyes would sparkle in such a setting. To crown the effect, he wound a saffron-colored turban around his head. This color scheme never failed. People were attracted to him as bees are attracted to cosmos or dahlia stalks. He sat under the boughs of spreading tamarind tree which flanked a path running through the town hall park. It was a remarkable place in many ways. A surging crowd was always moving up and down this narrow road from morning till night. A variety of trades and occupations was represented all along its way. Medicine sellers, sellers of stolen hardware and junk, magicians, and above all, an auctioneer of cheap cloth who created enough din all day to attract the whole town. Next to him, in vociferousness, came a vendor of fried groundnut who gave his ware a fancy name each day, calling it Bombay ice cream one day, and on the next Delhi almond, and on the third Raja's delicacy, and so on and so forth, and people flocked to him. This is the extract. Now activities on it. A1. Web. Complete the web with the professional equipment of the astrologer mentioned in the extract. The center point of the web diagram. Professional equipment. 2 are given. Palmyra writing, square piece of cloth, and rest of the 4 you have to write. A2. Describe. Describe the marketplace in 50 words. It is for 2 marks. A3. Find. The prophet made special arrangements to attract people. Find its proof from the extract. Activity A4. Personal response. Write in 50 words about the career you like to choose in your life. A5. Language study. Do as directed. First, this color scheme never failed. Make affirmative without changing the meaning. Second, to crown the effect, he wound a saffron colored turban around his head. In bracket, choose the correct compound sentence form for this sentence, and options are given. To crown the effect, and he wound a saffron colored turban around his head. B. He crowned the effect and wound a saffron colored turban around his head. C. He wound a saffron colored turban around his head and crowned the effect. A6. Vocabulary. Match the words given in column A with their meanings given in column B. In column A, words are given: punctually, remarkable, obscure, sacred. In column B, unclear, holy, striking, at the proper time. First B, language study for 4 marks. First, do as directed or transformation of sentence for 3 marks. A. We have been in Sector 9, Jalgaon, dash dash 1990. In bracket, rewrite the sentence choosing the correct preposition from the following alternatives, and the alternatives are from, about, since, for. B. The information dash dash be true. I do not know. In bracket, rewrite the sentence choosing the correct modal auxiliary from the following alternatives, and the alternatives are should, must, ought to, may. C. If you are not strong, you will fail. In bracket, rewrite the sentence removing not. Second, spot the error. It is for 1 mark. The sun will rise in the east. Question 2a. Read the extract and complete the activities given below. Human resources is used to describe both the people who work for a company or organization and the department responsible for managing resources related to employees. The term human resources was first coined in the 1960s when the value of labor relations began to garner attention and when notions such as motivation, organizational behavior, and selection assessments began to take shape. Human resource management is a contemporary term used to describe the management and development of employees in an organization. It is also called personnel or talent management. Human resource management involves overseeing all things related to managing an organization's human capital. Human resource management is therefore focused on a number of major areas, including recruiting and staffing, compensation and benefits, training and learning, and labor and employee relations. Due to the many areas of human resource management, it is typical for professionals in this field to possess specific expertise in one or more areas. Human resource management involves developing and administering programs that are designed to increase the effectiveness of an organization or business. It includes the entire spectrum of creating, managing, and cultivating the employer-employee relationship. For most organizations, agencies, and businesses, the human resources department is responsible for first, managing job recruitment, selection and promotion. Second, developing and overseeing employee benefits and wellness programs. Third, developing, promoting, and enforcing personnel policies. Fourth, promoting employee career development and job training. Fifth, providing orientation programs for new hires. Sixth, providing guidance regarding disciplinary actions. Seventh, serving as a primary contact for worksite injuries or accidents. HR departments pays attention on employee strength. Companies must make every effort to understand what candidates and employees do best and put them into roles where they can play to their strengths as much as possible. Now activities based on it. A1, true or false, for 2 marks. Rewrite the following statements and state whether they are true or false. First, human resource department works only for employees and not for the companies or businesses. Second, human resource management involves developing and administering programs to increase the effectiveness of an organization or business. Third, the term human resources was first coined in 1950s. Fourth, human resource department includes the entire spectrum of creating, managing, and cultivating the employee relationship. A2, complete. Human resource management is focused on dash dash. We have to write 4 points for 2 marks. A3, language study for 1 mark. Human resource management is a contemporary term used to describe the management and development of employees in an organization. In bracket, choose and write the correct use of not only but also, and the alternatives are: A. Human resource management is not only a contemporary term used to describe the management but also development and employees in an organization. B. Human resources management is a contemporary term used to not only describe the management but also development of employees. C. Human resource management is a contemporary term used to describe not only the management but also development of employees in an organization. B. Summary writing for 3 marks. Write a brief summary of the above extract with the help of points given below. Suggest a suitable title for it, and the points are: importance of HRD department, its work system, major responsibilities, etc. Section 2, Poetry and Appreciation. Question 3rd A. Read the extract and complete the activities given below. Weavers weaving at break of day. Why do you weave a garment so gay? Blue as the wing of halcyon wild, we weave the robes of a newborn child. Weavers weaving at fall of night. Why do you weave a garment so bright? Like the plumes of a peacock, purple and green, we weave the marriage veils of a queen. Weavers weaving solemn and still. What do you weave in the moonlight chill? White as a feather and white as a cloud, we weave a dead man's funeral shroud. Now the activity is based on it. A1, complete for 2 marks. Complete the table taking information from the extract, and the table is about viewer's work, time of the day, events of life, early morning, birth, and rest of the two we have to write. Activity A2, describe. Describe the work of viewers at the fall of night. A3, personal response. Express your views in 50 words about the present condition of viewers working in the cloth factory. A4, poetic device. Like the plumes of a peacock, purple and green. Name and explain the figure of speech. Find another example of the same from the extract. A5, poetic creativity. Compose two poetic lines making rhyme with the following line. Viewers viewing solemn and still. Third B, appreciation. It is there for 4 marks. Read the extract and write as per instructions given below. Afoot and light-hearted, I take to the open road. Healthy, free, the world before me. The long brown path before me, leading wherever I choose. Henceforth, I ask not good fortune, I myself am good fortune. Henceforth, I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. Done with indoor complaints, libraries, querulous criticisms. Strong and content, I travel to the open road, the earth that is sufficient. I do not want the constellations any nearer. I know they are very well where they are. I know they suffice for those who belong to them. Still here I carry my old delicious burdens. I carry them, men and women, I carry them with me wherever I go. I swear it is impossible for me to get rid of them. I am filled with them and I will fill them in return. With the help of the following points, write a poetic appreciation of the above poem, and the points are about the poem, the theme, poetic style, your opinion about the poem. Section 3rd, writing skills. Here we have taken writing skill for 8 marks only. Actually, it is for 16 marks in final exam, but for first term exam we will taking it for 8 marks only. Question 4a. Complete the activities as per the instructions given below. For 4 marks. First, email writing. Write an email with proper format to the service department to raise the complaint about newly purchased mobile phone. Use the following points. You have bought a mobile phone on bumper sale by Amazing India online service. Mobile has heating and software problem. Problem arises within guaranteed replacement period. Request to replace the phone. Write a mail to service@amazingindia.com. Or second, report writing. Write a report of the celebration of Maharashtra Day in your junior college. Certain hints are given. The time students assembled in college, the arrival of the chief guest and other dignitaries, flag hosting, speeches, detailed program, cultural program, vote of thanks, etc. Or framing interview questions. Imagine that the election is over and you have new sarpanch for your village. You have to take an interview of the newly elected sarpanch. Frame questions with introductory and concluding sentences. 4th B. Complete the activities as per the instructions given below. Here this activity or the question is for 4 marks. First, review writing. Write a film review that you have seen recently using the following points. First, story. Second, characterization. Third, music and songs. Fourth, theme. Fifth, action. Sixth, special features. Seventh, weak points. Eighth, your opinion about the film. Or second, blog writing. Write a blog using proper format on the topic trees are our best friends. Hints: explain the concept, give benefits of trees, suggest ways to protect trees, draw picture of tree or plant. Or appeal writing. Third, prepare an appeal through your organization for donation. Use the following points: give program, make a persuasive, see venue and date, the contact information. Section 4, literary genre. It is for 4 marks. Question 5. Complete the activities given below as per the instructions. For 4 marks. First, pick out the odd element from the group. This activity is for 2 marks. First, Arun Joshi, Vikram Seth, Graham Greene, Kiran Nagarkar. Second, place, period, theme, climate, lifestyle. Third, theme, plot, character, novella. Fourth, Billy Bird, Pearl, Joseph Conrad, Death in Venice. Second, fill in the blanks with the right words. For 2 marks. First, there are dash elements essential of novel or novella in bracket 5, 6, 7. Second, theme is the dash in the novel which can be expressed in a nutshell in bracket central idea or setting or plot. Third, in the first half of the 20th century, a cult of dash magazines became popular in bracket amazing, pulp, powerful. Fourth, space travel, time travel, and extraterrestrial life may be seen in dash fiction in bracket historical, Gothic, science. Here we have completed the model activity sheet, and it is useful for you to practice or for gaining more mark in first term examination. To watch the similar videos, subscribe our channel. If you want to see all the videos of our channel, press bell icon button. If you like this video, like it, share among your friends. If you have any question, query, suggestion, response, write it in comment box. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Thank you. Thanks a lot.